Welcome to the channel Quick Quiz Masters. Be quick to master. Quickly subscribe the channel. Everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named object, matter, gaseous blanket, none of these. Which of the following statement is correct about physical nature of matter? Matter is made up of particles. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter attract each other. All of the above. Particles of matter are continuously moving. They possess which of the following energy? Kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, none of these. Which of the following increases and particles move faster and kinetic energy also increases? Pressure, force, temperature, all of these. Particles of matter intermix on their own with each other by getting into spaces between the particles. This is called collision, diffusion, variation in particles, mixing of particles. States of matter are solid, liquid, gas, all of these. Which of the following characteristics does solids have? Definite shape, distinct boundaries, fixed volumes, all of these. Solids, liquids, and gases can diffuse into liquids, solids, gases, all of these. Which of the following characteristics does liquids have? Fixed shape, fixed volume, distinct boundaries, all of these. Which of the following has highly compressible tendency? Solid, liquid, gas, all of these. Which is the example of compressed gas? LPG, CNG, oxygen cylinders, all of these. In solids, when kinetic energy of the particles increases, it tends to particles start vibrating, particles leave fixed positions, change of state of matter, all of these. In a solid, what is an indication of the strength of the force of attraction between its particles? Melting point, kinetic energy, shape, all of these. The melting point of ice is 293 K, 273.15 K, 100 degrees Celsius, none of these. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, Joule, Pascal, Newton. Process of change of solid state into liquid state is known as melting point, fusion, both A and B, diffusion. What is the meaning of latent? Force, hidden, energy, space. The amount of energy required to change 1 kg of liquid into gas at its boiling point. Latent heat of vaporization, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of diffusion, latent heat of sublimation. The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat of vaporization, latent heat of diffusion, latent heat of sublimation, latent heat of fusion. Change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state is called condensation, fusion, sublimation, evaporation. Direct change of gas into solid without changing into liquid is called diffusion, sublimation, condensation, deposition. Which of the following is a dry ice? Solid petroleum gas, liquid carbon dioxide, liquefied petroleum gas, solid carbon dioxide. The phenomenon of change of a liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation, condensation, fusion, none of these. The process involved in forming water droplets on cold surface of glass tumbler containing ice cold water is condensation, sublimation, evaporation, fusion. What are the factors affecting evaporation? Temperature, humidity, surface area, all of these. How can be the states of matter are changed? Varying temperature, varying pressure, both A and B, surface area. Evaporation is a dash phenomenon and boiling is a dash phenomenon. Surface, 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 bulk, surface, bulk. On heating, diffusion becomes slower, faster, no changes, intermediate. Which of the following state of matter has great interparticle force of attraction? Gases, solids, plasma, liquids. Do comment your score, share this video to your class and school fellows, share and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for next videos. Thanks for watching.